In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add debit card to Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what information to enter, and how to make sure your card is ready for payouts without any hiccups. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are in, look to the top right corner for the settings gear icon. This is where all your payout and banking options live. So it's the best place to manage the card you want to use. In the settings menu, find the section for payout details. On a standard Stripe dashboard, it's labeled External Payout Accounts and Scheduling. If you are using an Express account, you'll see this area called Payout Details. Both take you to the same place functionally. The page where you manage where Stripe sends your money. On that page, choose the option to add a new bank account or debit card. If you see both choices, select debit card if that's what you intend to use. Some regions and businesses prefer bank accounts for routine payouts, while debit cards can be helpful for faster access to funds if instant payouts are supported. Pick the method that fits how you plan to receive your money. Now, enter your debit card information. Type in the full card number exactly as it appears on your card, the expiration date, and the CVC security code. Take a moment to double-check each field before moving on. Small typos are easy to make and can cause verification issues later. If you see additional fields such as the name on the card, fill them in as requested. It's also a good idea to do this on a secure, private connection for your account's safety. If prompted, provide the billing address associated with the card. Make sure this address matches what your card issuer has on file, including the postal code. A mismatch here is a common reason cards fail to verify. So accuracy matters when everything looks correct. Confirm to add the card. Stripe will process the information, and if successful, you'll see the card listed among your payout methods. That's it. You've added your debit card to Stripe. If you don't see the card right away, refresh the page and check for any alerts or messages that might need your attention. And remember, policies and availability for debit card payouts can vary by country and account type. So follow any on-screen guidance Stripe provides. Thanks for watching.